Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a mega menu in Wix. If you're looking to create a more sophisticated navigation system for your website that can display multiple categories and subcategories in one organized dropdown, then adding a mega menu is exactly what you need. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to click on Site and Mobile App. When you do this, a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management options. From this drop-down, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This step is important because you want to make sure that you're working on the correct website where you wish to add the mega menu. It's always good practice to verify you're editing the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites under one Wix account. Once you've confirmed this is the website you want to work on, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and customizing your site. From here, start by locating the Add Element button, which is positioned on the left navigation menu. Click on this button to open up a world of customization possibilities. The Add Element menu will expand, presenting you with all the elements you can use and add to customize your website's design and function. From this extensive list, locate the menu and anchor element and click on it. Under the menu section, you'll see various menu styles available. Simply drag one from the theme menu options directly onto your website canvas. This action places a menu element that you can now transform into a mega menu. Once the menu is added to your canvas, click on it to select it. You'll notice customization tools appear above the menu. Look for the gear icon or the settings button and click on it. A menu settings panel will appear on your screen. From here, click on the Set Advanced button. A small prompt window will pop up asking you to confirm this action. Go ahead and click Set as Advanced to proceed. Now, you'll see the list of pages currently under your menu. To convert this into a mega menu, simply click on the plus Add Menu Item button. From the options that appear, you'll see Mega Menu as one of the choices. Click on it and it will automatically be added to your menu structure. All you have to do now is populate this mega menu you've just created by dragging items under it. This allows you to organize your navigation into categories and subcategories, making it much easier for visitors to find what they're looking for on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a mega menu to your Wix website, giving your visitors a much more organized and professional navigation experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.